So what is a bear market? There's bull markets, there's bear markets. Well, first of all, a bear market is a down market, okay? And traditionally, in the traditional financial markets, we would call a bear market when there is a 20% correction from the high. However, this is extremely inaccurate for the crypto markets. And any person that tells you that a 20% correction from the highs is a bear market in crypto is worthless. You should not listen to that person at all, because that would mean that there are 10 bear markets within a bull market. You know, I can count dozens of times in the history of Bitcoin, or maybe even 3 or 4 times in the past year when Bitcoin went up 200%, yet had 3 or 4 times with a 20% or more price decline. So clearly, the metric of a 20% correction symbolizing a bear market is clearly completely ineffective. So there must be a much better way to characterize a bear market. And in fact, there is. And I'm going to show this to you guys in a chart, and this might actually be the best crypto chart you'll ever see in your life in terms of how this might help you. And I really don't say this lightly. I only depend on this one chart for my macro view. And that is, I look at crosses below the 20-week moving average. I choose a 20-week because it's particularly effective in capturing perfectly every single bull and bear market that has ever existed for Bitcoin. And it's also vague enough to where it really cancels out all the noise. So let's take a look at this chart. Here it is. What we want to look for is a definitive break above this moving average for the confirmation of a bull market, but more importantly, for the case of this video, a break below it. So the first ever break we can see is somewhere around mid-2014, early 2015, when it really quite decisively broke and then failed to make a higher high and was just rejected by that moving average. And we had the bear market of 2015. Then obviously everyone knows we had the very nice bull market from 2016 to 2017 before it broke in early 2018. And then it acted as resistance ever since. Then, as everyone knows, we had 2020, it clearly broke, and ever since it's been a bull market, and it's just recently broke again. So, what is my house view right now? Well, it's broken, and as of right now, as of August 1st, 2021, the moving average seems to be acting as resistance. So, I would characterize this as a bear market. So guys, this has been an explanation on what a bear market in crypto is.